How's it going, everyone? Welcome. Doing 6-box break of 2015 Field Axis Football. This is eBay ended tonight on the 16th of March. All right, these are the participants and the teams you guys won. Good luck to everybody. There are 4 hits per box, 4 autos per box. All right, there's a lot of you tonight. Okay, it's 24. It's 11:01 p.m. Wednesday, March 16th, Eastern Time. All right. Good luck, guys. All cards will ship. If you don't pull a card, you get something from me. It's the first time I'm breaking this, so let's see. Hopefully we'll get some good stuff. 4 packs. Here we go. Assume there's 1 auto per pack. Let's start off with Ifko Olumo. We got T.Y. Hilton, Kenny Britt, Jordan Matthews, Nelson Aguilar, Tony Dorsett, and our first auto is Dres Anderson, receiver for the 49ers. Kadeem Carey, Aguilar again, and Ezekiel Ansah. What's up, Fernando? How's it going, man? Kadeem Carey, Stacy, Vinatieri, Steve Young, Emmett Smith, Eli, Nate Orchard, auto linebacker for the Browns. Harold Orchard, base. Eddie Lacy, base. Mettenberger, Flowers, Ebron, Cousins, Teddy Bridgewater in the suit, Chris Ivory, Ezekiel Lanza again, and Jadeveon Clowney. Maybe he'll have maybe he'll show his talents this year. See what happens with him. Rodgers and Garoppolo. Silas Reed doing the backflip. AJ Green. Rashad Green. Barry Sanders. Jeremy Hill. Connor Shaw. And Eric Ebron. This is numbered 15 out of 99. Eric Ebron. Lions. TJ Yeldon, Mike Evans, Kenny Stills. All right, second box. No, not yet. We just went through the first box at Larkin. Koyak, Tebow, Eli, Rashad Green, Alan Hearns. Does it focus better? Daniel Thomason and Desmond Lewis for the Bills. You get a lot of these no-name guys showing up. Allen Robinson, Robert Woods, CJ Anderson. Hardy, Barry Sanders, Jordan Matthews, Calvin Johnson, Roddy White, CJ Spiller, and Dominique Brown. This is a Bucks hit. Not the Bucks you're probably looking for, but Dominique Brown, not numbered auto. Tyler Croft, excuse me. Nick Foles and HaHa Clinton Dix. Julian Strong, Barcavius Mingo, Devin Gardner, John Brown, got Rashad Jennings, numbered 71 out of 99 for the Giants. Shane Carden and CJ Anderson auto. This is numbered out of 50, 44 out of 50. The Broncos, nice. I guess they just signed them, matched the offer. Terrence Williams, Devin Smith, and Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Malcolm Brown, Russell Wilson, Robert Mathis, got Brandon Scherf, Melvin Gordon. I guess this is draft day photos. Andrew Luck and Connor Shaw. Maybe he gets a chance with the Browns. Who knows? 96 out of 99. Connor Shaw. Carlos Williams, Bishop Sankey, Adrian Peterson. All right, Aaron Murray, Nelson Aguilar, Pierre Thomas, Trey Flowers, Eric Dickerson, Austin Seferian-Jenkins, Tom Savage, Texans. A lot of these 2014 guys coming out. Then we get the Clowney in the first box. Savage base. Riley Cooper, Devin Funchess. Cousins, E.J. Manuel, Kenny Bell, Connor Shaw, excuse me, Adrian Peterson, Matthews, nice Matt Ryan. This is not numbered, but a veteran hit, not too bad for the Falcons. Matt Ryan. Olsen, Hearns, Payton. Sorry. All right. Pitta, Watt, Cooper, Aaron Donald, Tim Brown, Vic Beasley, and a J.J. Nelson for the Cardinals, numbered out of 50, 30 out of 50. Where is it? Show up, 30. No focus tonight. What's going on? There it is, 30 out of 50, J.J. Nelson. Clay, Ebron, Hopper. All right, Damian Williams. Got a Todd Gurley base, rookie. Antonio Brown. Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Another Todd Gurley. I guess this could be a variation. I'm not sure. There's two different photos of it. Luke Kuechly. And a HaHa Clinton Dix for the Packers. So there's a lot of 2014 guys coming out of this one. Epidaris, Alford, and Revis Island. Alright guys, almost halfway there. Yep. Nice to pull one of the big three rookies this year. We got Sankey, Lewis, Moneyman, Manziel, Unemployed, Jeremy Hill, Aguilar, Gerald Christian, and Titus Davis for the Chargers. Not numbered. Mike Davis, Victor Cruz, Golden Tate. Ruben Randall, Alex Carter, Steve Smith, excuse me, Henry Anderson, C.J. Mosley, got Brandon Marshall. This is numbered out of 25. Not bad for the Jets. 21 out of 25. There it is. 21 out of 25 for the Jets. Brandon Marshall. And nice Eli Manning. So you get a couple of nice veteran autos in this one. For the G-Men, Eli, not numbered auto. Andrew Luck, Connor Shaw, Tony Romo. Karen Artis-Payne, got Jeremy Langford, Andre Williams, Eric Ebron, Jordan Matthews, we got Cam, we got an Eli, parallel out of 25, nice, 23 out of 25, an auto, and a numbered parallel, and Jets hit auto, Devin Smith. Not numbered. John Elway, Josh Harper. Safarian Jenkins, Jay Ajay, Matt Ryan, Robert Mathis, got Sims, it's probably from '86. Haha, and a Malcolm Brown for the Rams. Not numbered. Chris Ivory, Dante Moncrief, and Nelson Aguilar. All right, fifth box. Sorry, Ebron, Vontae Adams, Justin Hardy, Jordan Reed, numbered out of 99, 14 out of 99. Mike Evans, we got Gronk, and for the Jaguars, Ben Koyak, auto, rookie autograph, Ben Koyak. Kalen Clay, Manti Te'o, and Jadeveon Clowney. Clive Walford, Ezekiel Anza, Blake Bortles, Matt Ryan, Eric Berry, DeAndre Hopkins, numbered, no, not numbered, excuse me. And Packers, Jared Abbrederis. It's another 2014 guy. Jared Abbrederis for the Packers, Brandon Marshall, TJ Clemens, and Derek Carr. All right, we got Marcus Mariota, rookie base. Aaron Donald. Charles Sims. Demson Lewis. DeMarco Murray. Marcus Peters. Kenny Britt. And we got, this is 42 out of 50. And another Jadeveon Clowney auto. We got it in the first box. So here's a second one for the Texans. Another Clowney auto. Richard Rodgers and Kevin White rookie base. All right, Dress Anderson, Brett Favre, Jimmy Clausen, E.J. Manuel, got John Elway, Allen Robinson, and a Riley Cooper for the Eagles auto. Dominique Brown, Arian Foster, C.J. Mosley. So far, most of the autos have been veteran hits and a couple of 2014 guys, not many 2015. Yeah, Fernando, I know just the Eli and the Matt Ryan, pretty much the only decent ones. Tyler Eifert, Jeremy Hill, Christian Jones, Eli Bass, Ronnie Lott, Carlos Williams, and another Ebron. We pulled one already of him. So 2 Eric Ebrons, 2 Jadeveon Clowneys. Amaro, Hoyer, and Marvin Jones. I guess Ebron is somewhat decent. Entree Roll, Tavon Austin, Jameis Winston rookie base, Ruben Randall, Mike Evans, got an Eli base, we got a Kenny Bell for the Bucks auto, Alshon, Jerry Rice, and Titus Davis. Reggie Bush, Teddy Bridge, Andrews Pete, Dress Anderson, TJ Yeldon rookie. Looks like he's in all white here. He's going to heaven or something. Arian Foster, and not bad, Allen Robinson. So that was another 2014 guy for the Jaguars. Danny Shelton, oops, CJ Spiller, and Cam Newton. All right, last pack. So we can get any of the big boys for 2015. Allen Robinson, Calvin Johnson, Deontay Greenberry, Ifo Alumo, Terry Bradshaw, Nick Foles, and a Rams last year's running back receiver Tavon Austin auto, another 2014. Lamar Miller, Allen Robinson, and Matt Jones. And that does it, guys. Thank you very much for joining. I'll get these cards shipped out in the next couple of days, day or two. If you didn't pull a card, I'll send you something. That's it. I mean, we had a couple of decent veterans, none of the big 2015 rookies, but, you know, that's how it goes. But, guys, thank you very much for joining, and have a great night.